Welcome back, and once again thank you very much for watching my videos and thank you very much for your support. So we are continuing the same topic today also, problems based on numbers. So directly let us go to the questions and let us solve some of the important questions related from the previous question papers. So here is your first question for today. What is the question? 1/4 of 2/5 of a number is 36. What is the number? 1/4 of 2/5 of a number. So 1/4 of will become what? Multiplication. 1/4 of 2/5 of a number. We don't know what is a number. So we'll take that number as x. 1/4 of 2/5 of a number x is equal to 36. We need to find out what is x. So again, you can cut this 2 and 4. How many times? 2 times. So now it becomes what? X by 2 5s are 10 is equal to 36. When you cross multiply, we will get x is equal to 360 into 10. 336 into 10 will become 360. 36 into 10 will become 360. So we got x is equal to 360. So the required answer is 360. 1/4 of 2/5 of a number is x. What is that number? The number will be 360. So you can mark the correct option. Okay, please note it. Then we'll go to the next question. So let us go to the next question, students. So the next question is here on your board. What is the question? If the average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 44, find the product of the smallest and the largest number. Average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 44. Average of 4 consecutive odd numbers. Here, the important words we need to understand is consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive means continuously. Odd numbers means with a gap of 2. So we know what are odd numbers, we know what are even numbers. Odd numbers are numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. Even numbers are numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So between 2 odd number or between 2 even numbers, we have the difference is 2. Okay. So accordingly we have to take consecutive 4 odd numbers and their average is 44. So let us take the first number is equal to x. So let first number equal to x. So if the first number is x, second number will be x plus 2 because it is an odd number. So between one odd number and another odd number, we know the difference is 2. So first number is x, second number is x plus 2, third number will be x plus 4 and next number will be x plus 6. So we have taken 4 consecutive odd numbers and their average. Average means when you add all these things and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. So divide by 4, the answer will become 44. That is given in the question. The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 44. What is the meaning of that? The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers means the first number is x. Suppose the first number is x. So the next odd number will be x plus 2. If you add x plus 1, it will be an even number. Next number will be even. Odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. It goes like that. So if you add only one number, the next number will be even number. So if you want an odd number, you have to add 2. X, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. So 4 numbers we got. These are the 4 numbers. And it is given average of these 4 numbers is 44. Average means total sum divided by total number. So total sum means we have added all these 4 divided by total number 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So divided by 4, we got 44. Now the answer is clear. X plus x plus x plus x. We have 4x. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Divided by 4 is equal to 44. So we can take 4x plus 12 is equal to, this 4 will multiply here, 4 4s are 16, balance 1, 16 plus 1, 17. This 12 I take to that side, it will become minus. So it will become 4x is equal to 176 minus 12. So 176 minus 12 will become what? 164. So x is equal to 164 divided by 4. Is equal to 41. I got x value equal to 41. I got x value is equal to 41. What is x? X is the smallest number. If x is 41, then what is the next number? 43. What is the next number? 45. What will be the next number? 47. So these are all the numbers. Smallest number is 41 and the largest number is 47. So what we need to find out here, we need to find out the product of smallest and largest. What is smallest? 41. 41 multiplied by largest 47. So you have to multiply this. 1 7s are 7. 28 plus 4, 32. Balance 3, 16 plus 3, 19. So this way of multiplication, I'm sure we have already learned. So this is called the crisscross method of multiplication. You can multiply two numbers in a single line. Okay, you can multiply these numbers in a single line. If you have not watched this video, we have already explained crisscross method of multiplication for 2-digit, crisscross method of multiplication for 3-digit and all in our previous videos. So if you have not watched that, please watch that video first and then solve it. It will be very easy for you. Okay, if you are not watched, the link is given in the description. You can go and watch that video and then it will be very useful for you how to multiply numbers in a single line so that you can save a lot of time. So 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 4, 32 balance 3, 16 plus 3, 19. So you got the answer 1927. Okay, so what is the answer? Option, correct option you can mark 1927 is the correct option. So we have find out the odd numbers, we have find out the smallest number, we have found out the largest odd number, and we have found out the product also. So the only thing what we need to remember here is whenever we take odd numbers, we have to take odd numbers in the form x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, like that, always with a gap of 2. Okay, please note it.